I just wanted to let you know that your mom and I have been remodeling your bathroom while you were gone hunting. We're doing this for you because you're so generous with your time and you are so giving. Now you don't have anything to worry about with your bathroom. I love you so much and I really wanted to do something special for you. You've really opened my eyes to what love is, and I'm just so happy that I met you, and I just hope that you like this bathroom. So I recruited your mom, and we have been hiding this secret from you. Probably a day before you left, I came up with the idea. So it was a very impromptu, spontaneous thing, and your mom was totally on board. So here is where we are so far. It's about noon on Saturday and you're supposed to be home sometime tonight. We are in crunch time and your mom isn't here yet, but she's coming with food and some more tools and a smiling face as usual. You're coming home in a few hours and we're just really excited that you're coming and we hope that you like it and we hope that you're surprised and we can't wait to see your reaction.
Everybody home?
Can you come here?
Whoa! Oh my god! Are you serious?
While you were out!
It's like that show! Wow, while you were out, isn't that the name of the show? Holy crap! Wow! Wow! Thank you, Mom! Oh my god, Maria! Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god!
One more thing, Russ. I want you to know that I am the happiest that I've ever been in my whole life.
Holy
Oh!
moly!
Sorry, we couldn't do the whole house. It was only the bathroom.
Wow! It looks great. It really does.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Your support with every decision that I make is really appreciated.
Oh my god. Are you videotaping this? I can't. This.
Oh, did you notice the picture?
Amazing.
Did you notice the pictures? That's your wallpaper.
Oh, was it? You framed my wallpaper.
I feel very thankful to have you.
Oh my god, you guys.
And your cabinet's now floating. Maria's idea.
Yeah, that's what she has at her house. I love it. It's great. You can clean underneath there.
Isn't that
really nice.
awesome? And look inside. Look how much room is inside. What happened?
Wow.
We deepened it.
Yeah, you did.
We built a frame and then we pulled it
Oh,
out.
I see. And you made it
Put a piece of
deeper.
molding. Those are your old cabinets.
Oh, really? That's not, is it?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Wow. This is what we need to do in the kitchen. Oh man, Mom, thank you.
You're welcome.
I just love the fact that we are so great together. I never thought that I would find something like what we have, but I did, and I'm so thankful, and I'm definitely a lucky girl. I love you, Russ.